Hi guys, this is Marcela. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this simple and cute hairstyle.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to do this cute and easy hairstyle. Let's get started.
First of all, we're going to split the hair on one side of the head. Now grab a good piece of hair and hold it aside. I'm going to grab another section and hold it with an elastic. As you can see, we're going to leave out a small section of hair from the front. Now grab the first piece of hair, leave out a small strand and split this section in half. When we are ready, we're going to grab the other ponytail, pass it in between the two strands and hold it. Now hold this section of hair with an elastic and we're going to add some volume to the hair, pulling from the sides. Grab this section, split it in half, and now pass the other ponytail between the two strands of hair. We're going to add another section of hair and hold everything with an elastic. Every time we're going to add a bit of volume to the hair, pulling from the sides and from the top. Once more, we're going to split the first ponytail. Now pass the other one between the sections and add a bunch of hair. Hold it with an elastic and pull from the sides to add a little bit of volume. We're going to do this one more time. As you can see, I'm adding big sections of hair and every time add volume. To finish, we're going to cover the elastics, so I'm going to grab a section of hair from the front, another one from the back, hold them with an elastic, and give volume to cover the elastic. From the front, we're going to pull the hair a little bit, hold it using a bobby pin, and we're done.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!